Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to grow your hair very faster and also very thicker. Friends, for this all we need to have coconut oil, vitamin E capsules and onion. Friends, with these three we can make our hair very stronger and also very longer, and along with this we can also make our hair very stronger along with this thick and black hair. Okay, you can also turn your white hair into black also with this simple method. Okay friends, let's start this video, and friends please watch the entire video to get the maximum benefit out of it. Friends, before going to start this video I want to say a very big thanks to each and every subscriber in this channel, friends, because we got recently 5,85,000 subscribers in this channel. That means really very big achievement for us, and recently we are striving towards 1 million subscribers. So people who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and you will get amazing content on this channel on your daily basis. Friends, let's start this video. And first you need to take this onion and you need to take some juice from this. Okay, you need to take the onion juice. Okay friends, this is the onion juice. You need to take some juice from this mixed onion. Okay friends, this is the onion juice, and in this juice we need to add bit of vitamin E capsule and also coconut oil. Okay friends, this is vitamin E capsule and I'm adding in this. Now in this we need to add bit of coconut oil. Okay friends, just we need to mix this very well. Friends, just we need to mix this very well. Friends, after mixing these three, you need to apply this on your hair and you need to keep it massage for at least 15 to 20 minutes, friends, so that you will get a thick and black strong hair, friends. Okay friends, myself recording this video, so I'm unable to show this on my hair, but I'm going to show this on my hand. Okay, yes friends, you need to apply from the roots of your hair. Okay, just like this. Okay, and you need to gently massage for at least 15 to 20 minutes, friends, so that you will get a thick and very long and black hair, friends. Okay, today I'm showing you the people who are suffering from the toothache because of various reasons, like the people who got the enamel layer which is surrounded around the teeth. The people who got lost that enamel layer, they'll get this toothache severely, and the people who are suffering from the gum care problems, I mean on the teeth we have some gum kind of thing. If you lost that gum, then you'll get some pain around your teeth. So the people who have lost the enamel or gum layer, just try this in daily. You can try this at your home very easily, so that you can get rid of this toothache problem very quickly. Friends, for this all we need to have Pepsodent gum care toothpaste and salt. Okay friends, and make sure you need to select fresh and pure salt itself. Okay, and friends, let's start this video. Just we need to take some salt like this. On this salt, just we need to apply toothpaste Pepsodent. Okay, just you need to take the brush and you need to take along with this salt with this toothpaste, friends, so that you can make your teeth very stronger, and also you can get rid of this toothache problem very quickly. Friends, myself recording this video, so I'm unable to show this on my teeth, but I'm just showing you like this. You need to take the toothpaste along with the salt so that you can apply on your teeth, friends. Okay, I'm showing you some amazing beauty tip for this summer special, because summer has been already started, so sun is very bright, and also temperatures are high very much, and due to this most of the people are suffering from tan problem. And the people who are not willing to make their skin tan, just try this face pack on in your home. This will make your skin brighter, and also this will protect you from sun rays, UV rays, and so that you can keep your skin as usual beautiful and also fairer. Okay friends, and let's start this video. And before going to start this video, just you need to take Fair and Lovely cream, aloe vera gel, and rose water. Okay, let's start this video. Just take some cream. Friends, make sure you need to take very little amount, because after applying this, you can't apply this after 10 minutes, or also after half an hour also you can't apply this same cream which you prepared now. Just you need to prepare instantly every time. Friends, mix this very well. This rose water, cream, and aloe vera gel. Friends, just mix like this, and you need to apply this on your face. Friends, myself recording this video, so I am unable to show this on my face, so I am showing this on my hand, but you guys need to apply this on your face, friends. Okay friends, every time when you are applying this, just you need to apply in the upward direction only, so that it will work effectively. Friends, just apply like this and just keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After that, just wash it off. Try this just twice in a week, so that you will keep your skin very brighter and also fairer, and also you can protect your skin from the UV rays of the sun in this summer especially. Okay friends, two kind of useful information for your health and also for your beauty benefit also. Friends, most of us are suffering from obesity in these days. For this, in this video you'll get one answer, and the second one, most of the people are suffering from dark spots on their face. For those people, they'll get answer in the same video. Okay friends, let's see how it does. For this, all we need to have one lemon and just honey. Make sure you have to select the raw and fresh honey only. Okay, let's start this video. And first I'm starting with the health tip, that means the problem for the obesity. Friends, the people who are suffering from the obesity from their ages, just you need to take 1 glass of hot water, and you need to just mix one lemon in that warm water, and also you need to add 1 tablespoon of honey. You need to mix this lemon and honey in this hot water. Just you need to drink daily for 30 days. Within the span of 30 days only, you will see the result of reduce in the obesity in your body. Within the span of just 30 days only. This is very effective way to reduce the obesity within the span of just one month only. This is the very effective way, friends. You just don't need to go anywhere. Just you need to try in your home with this 1 glass of hot water and 1 lemon and just 1 tablespoon of honey. With these 3 only, you can make your body fit within the span of just 1 month only. Okay friends, just try this. And let's start this second beauty tip. Second one is beauty tips. And most of the people are suffering from the dark spots on their faces. For that problem, they are using a lot of remedies like facial kind of things at parlors. Instead of going there, you can try this in your home very easily and with the less cost only. I'll show this. Just you need to take 1 lemon and honey. Friends, just you need to take lemon juice in 1 cup. In this, you need to add some honey. You need to mix this both very well. After mixing this lemon water, lemon juice and this honey very well, just you need to apply this on your face and you have to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, friends. Then after you need to wash it off with the light warm water, so that all the mud particles and the dark spots on your face will remove within the span of 15 days only. Yes friends, myself recording this video, so I am unable to show this on my face, but I am showing this on my hand. But you guys need to apply this on your face, friends, and you need to keep it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, just try this for 10 to 15 days. Within the span of these 10 to 15 days you will see better results like this. Just apply and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment for this video, friends. Thank you.